Good afternoon, Arlington. Welcome to today, October 15th and Sunday. Welcome to the week. So let's just get right down to it. We have a couple of things going on this week. Just want to bring to everyone's attention. Wednesday, October 18th, 1 o'clock, 10th grade assembly for Thomas Grimes on internet safety and protocols and social medias and the dangers. Excellent opportunity. We're keeping Mr. Grimes in Arlington for the evening as well, 7 p.m. Parents-only assembly on our auditorium as well on internet safeties and the dangers of social media. Please come out and join us for that. Insightful, eye-opening. That's the only guy. Something I'm worried about with him. He had the Mid-Hudson Valley Admirals game today, so that's what the marks on his face. But anyway, moving along, October 19th, we have our Women in STEM Career Night, 6 p.m., entering through our LGI Cafeteria C and D doors. That's on the west side by the bus lots. Please come out to that. I sent out a link for families that are interested to attend. That's October 19th. October 20th, we have our first lockdown drill. That's going to be during first period. We're going to have quick lockdown, go through the whole process. But again, it's just a drill. That's October 20th. That's in the morning, first period. We dismiss. It's a half day for all students. At the end of third period, all kids go home. 11th graders are registered for the PSATs are staying behind. Providing lunch should start around 11 o'clock, and then there will be transportation home. Please make sure the Chromebooks for all juniors have the BlueBook software. It looks like a little star in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen for the Chromebook. If any questions about that, please reach out to the house principal, Dr. Carroll. If you have any concerns about booting up the Chromebook and making sure the software is registered for that. Then precursor for next week on the 23rd and 24th are yearbook retake pictures. Please reach out to the East House 10th grade house principal, Miss Spencer, if you have any concerns about retakes for the yearbook pictures, which then leads us into the ID cards. Because we use those same pictures for ID cards, please make sure that all ID cards are worn. Once they enter the building, the IDs are to remain on a lanyard around the shoulders and the necks, not in a book bag or in a pocket. So we have great process and follow through with our students. We're just trying to catch those last others that are constantly keeping in their pockets. We need them on. We use them for entry into all activities at the building, so it is very important to continue doing that. That's about it. Just going through my notes. All is well. If you have any questions, please reach out to your house administration. Check our X feed, our Instagram, our Google pages, and our web page for updates and further information. Also, last week we did communicate should have started this off. Progress reports were sent out or actually updated on School Tool. Please use School Tool to check for it. So be well, take care, and have a wonderful day. Be well.